tour of the gallery and Black Bear too. So it's the season is just a travel blog. Oh, what is oh, it is here. I did it last year. It's Wednesday 30 March 2022 and the time right now is 4:15 p.m. and the temperature is positive 5 degrees Celsius today. And today I am at town of Canmore, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how the Canmore town looks like in spring, and let's explore the town first. It was sunny from the morning, but suddenly the clouds cover all the sky of the Canmore, and it's feeling cold right now, but at the morning it was 11 degrees Celsius I think, and it was sunny. Hi! And it was sunny, very beautiful. So I make another video of the Canmore Nordic Center, so I will post soon. So this is the Canmore town, and right now I am on the famous Canmore's main street right now. So this is the busiest and famous street in Canmore, which is Main Street. So you can find everything in this street. And this is the famous grocery shop in Canmore.
No, it's a master key. Okay, so key
And
lock is master.
I'll show you the grocery store. This is Rusticana Grocery. It's since 1978 on Main Street. So still they are running their business here. So here you can see the ice cream and all of the shop here. And right now I am at the intersection of Main Street and 7th Avenue. So Canmore is very hard to find parking in the season, and you can see there is a parking on that side. So it's a free parking whenever you visit Canmore. Just remember it's on the intersection of Main Street and 7th Avenue. There is a free parking, huge parking lot, so you don't need to pay for the parking, and you can easily find your parking. And my left hand side is Canmore Hotel. It's 1890 and still is here. They are open for lunch and dinner. So it's almost 100 years old. And you can see all of the people here. It's very different from city, and you can see like the fog, and I think some snow is coming, covering the mountain area. And in the Canmore city you will pretty much all of the local store you can find. They are very unique, famous, and you can find so many art gallery by the local artist. So here is gallery, and you can, I don't think I'm allowed to do the video inside the art gallery, so I can close my I can off my camera and ask them, should I take the video inside? Let's ask them first. So right now I am in front of Art Country Canada Rocky Mountain Gallery. So I met with the owner and I took the permission to make a tour of the gallery. So let's tour of the gallery, and you can see some amazing photograph and artwork here. Look at, oh my god, it's so pretty. So whenever you visit Canmore, don't forget to visit this Art Country Gallery in Canmore, and you can buy some amazing artwork. Wow, look at this. This is so beautiful.
Saturday 10 a.m. Judy? This shop. Yeah. All right. And I'll be with Judy probably. Yeah.
Okay.
And you're going to be here. And you're going to go. I'm going to get you to do
Ronald Bateman, Wikipedia, learn a little bit about him, grab.
Wow. So here is art cards, and some stone is here.
So
It's all from like a natives stuff. You can find it here.
this is the Brent Highton area. Brent Highton. Brent Highton.
Look at this one. Oh my god, this is unique. A grizzly. Okay.
So on our website you can go, there's that little Three Sisters one there, for example. So you can go through them all. These are some of the ones at the other shop.
Thank you so much. Have a great day.
Thank you so much.
Thank
That was
you.
awesome.
Yes.
Oh, you're great.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
So there's that.
So there is more art gallery you can find in this street. So yeah, people are enjoying to visit all of the art gallery here because they are from all. So yeah, it's like you can explore so many local shop here. Pretty much all of the store is local. So if I make it to every single store, it will take 3 or 4 days. Yeah. Canmore town, it's so unique, so beautiful, friendly environment, and you can explore so many things. And all around the city you can find moose, deer, elk, so many wildlife, and of course grizzly and black bear too. So it's the season is just start now, so all of the grizzly and black bear just start, or maybe they are planning to come outside from their hibernation. Yeah, so it's very frequent whenever you make a drive or you are walking on the Canmore street. It's very like a common scenario. You can meet all of the wildlife, even though it's the Canmore town, doesn't matter. So Canmore town especially, you can see elk, moose, deer, bear. I think you have to go a little bit outside of the town. You never know, sometimes it's on the town, because in the season, so bear are used to come, or pretty much like every year bear is spotted on Calgary city too, so it's not like impossible. We are living in Alberta. So I'm waiting for the signal. So you can see all around the town is mountain. So which side you turn doesn't matter, you can see the mountain. Now it's my turn. So in the summertime, it's like a very busy street, and you can see all of the people are walking on the street. A lot of festival is going on, and like all of the patio is open, and it seems like something going on here. But this is the regular day in summertime. So if you are not visit Alberta still, this is the year you can visit Alberta. And believe me guys, you will explore and you will experience so many new things, and you will find yourself as a new person. The Grizzly Paw is the famous restaurant, and I think this is the church. It's 1891. The church is I wish I can show you like every single corner of the Alberta by walking. You know, I feel I can make the travel video like the other people do. Like in 5 minutes I can show you the whole Canmore. So I prefer to walk and show their culture, their every corner, their people, everything, so you know better than the travel blog. Oh, what is oh, it is Mountain Police, Northwest Mountains Police Barrack. So it was 1893. Ooh. And this is the way for the Spring Creek, and you can see some there is a lot of hotel and lodge inside. So yeah, and from here you can see from this side there is a famous Canmore boardwalk is just start. So whenever you visit Canmore, don't forget to do this boardwalk between the nature. In between the nature, it will be a good experience to you. And end of the boardwalk there is a very good like a mountain view, and so hope you guys like my videos. Yeah, I will do some more in the summertime. Look at this, the big head is here, and people are taking the boardwalk from here. I did it last year. It was so amazing, and thank you guys, thank you so much. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe my video. And if you want to really support my channel, please become a member of my channel. It will be great help for the channel. And thank you so much, and have a great day.